Ravie Beauty has 3 new colors, and I am so happy that she sent them to me because I absolutely love the Effortless Lips collection. Right here, I'm just looking through it. I also love the bag that you can get with it. It is the cutest floral denim bag, and I keep all my lippies right in there. So the new colors look so pretty. That's peony, but in the South we call that peony. And then poppy, that is a new color. It's so pretty. And then the color that I just could not wait to get. This is the one. I wanted this. Rose. It is gorgeous. I'm putting it on. I have been a tint on my lips because I don't have any color on my lip naturally after the reconstruction. But look how it goes on. Just imagining on top of your lip color, and it's completely buildable, and it's so easy to put on that it's the only lipstick that I am able to wear without a liner, because normally I have to define that top lip. And you see how you can just keep building it? I love it. Get the complete Effortless Lips collection.